In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Wi-Fi is not showing on your Windows. So let's get started. So first thing that we need to do is we need to click on the start button and click on the settings icon from here. Then in the list of options on the left pane, you just have to simply click on system. We have to scroll down and then we need to look for troubleshoot. Okay, click on that. Then click on other troubleshooters. Then from here, you can find network and internet with the run button corresponding to it. So click the run button that corresponds to network and internet to run the network and internet troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends for you. Okay, then we need to close this. Then right click at the start button and here you need to select a device manager. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate network adapters. And in case if you cannot find your Wi-Fi from here, then you just need to simply click on your username and then click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. And then you need to go back to network adapters and then locate your connection or your adapter. Make a right click and then you have to select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and here you just need to simply choose one by one as to what will work for you. You just have to click on next and Windows will successfully update your drivers. Now once done, you just need to simply restart your Windows. So you need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type ncpa.cpl. Click on that under the best match. Now here in the network connections window, you just need to simply locate your connection or your Wi-Fi. Then you need to make a right click, select disable. Okay. And then you just need to wait for some time. And then make a right click, select enable. Okay. And that's it. You will be reconnected again into your connection, and Wi-Fi will be showing right here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.